Alright, and introduce yourselves, please.
Okay, we are La Darsena Bardolino. Okay, we are in New York. This is the first time that when a European team participated in a New York Dragon Boat Festival.
Well, how did you guys get involved with the Dragon Boat Festival this year?
Okay, in 2005, I have New York Dragon Boat Festival on TV. Okay, and with some friends, we decided that we have to be New York Festival, okay? And then after very hard work, 4 years very hard work, we are here. It's beautiful because in this final we got the third place.
Congratulations!
This is beautiful for us. Beautiful.
So how long did you guys train before? To train for 4 years. Where in Italy did you train for this race?
Yeah.
They are training in Bardolino. He's at Lake Garda. They usually do it 2 or 3 times a week.
3 times a week,
And
okay, in the evening. But for us it's very, very difficult to train in Dragon Boat because we have too much beautiful girls like Chris, okay? It's very
Well, it's motivation.
No, yes, but it's very hard.
Distracting.
It's very hard to find time to go to Dragon Boat, okay? Okay.
Do you have Dragon Boat races in Italy?
Yeah, Pilo di Chiaretto in June in Bardolino, but it's smaller than this festival. But next time, maybe with the Fiera di Verona, we will make a big event, okay, with Outrigger, Dragon Boat, and something else. Beautiful country, okay, beautiful Bardolino, wine Bardolino, and I have to tell you the real reason why we are here this year, okay?
Sure.
Because the team organization, okay, the organizer, okay, called me in Italy, okay, and asked me to come here because we have a crew, the women crew, beautiful girl, okay, and they need a beautiful cast, okay? This is the real reason.
Oh, that's a good reason. That's a very good reason. I can't think of a better reason actually.
Thank you very much.
Okay, one last question. If there is a chance, where else would you want to bring your team to Dragon Boat race in the world, worldwide? Where would you want to go besides New York?
New York was our first choice. Okay?
Second choice?
Yeah. Second choice, I have been Beijing in 2005.
All right.
I think that we have to go to Beijing because Dragon Boat, the origin is in China. Okay?
And Hong Kong, don't forget.
Hong Kong, beautiful. Also Hong Kong.
That's where we have them.
I don't know. Maybe in the together in the same trip we can go to Hong Kong and then in Beijing, okay? Because it's very far to Italy. And we have twice in a trip, maybe.
And the next time you come to New York to race, make sure you bring a barbecue pit. It seems to me that you are the only team tent in this whole entire event without a barbecue tent.
Yes. But we have spaghetti or pomodoro, okay?
All right, all right. You can steal a couple of pieces of roast pork from the next door, right?
Okay, you can.
All right. Okay, grazie.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Ciao, New York. Thank you.
Thank you.